Hey guys, it's Oberstadt. I just kind of wanted to do a quick tutorial-ish video today, and I know I'm going to be doing like a live stream later, so you'll see this look then as well. I've got all of my base products and stuff on. I am still testing out this LA Girl yellow concealer, this corrector. I did mix it with something else today, but then when I went to put powder over it, it separated under my eyes. So I don't know what's going on with that. I just put in the Smashbox concealer. I just put like a couple of dots underneath my eyes and then put the yellow over it to kind of like blend it in so that it wasn't quite as dark. Because I did notice last time I used it, you could definitely see where the yellow was under my eyes because I'm so fair. So I'm not quite sure what's going on there. But anyways, I'm going to be using the Zodiac palette in conjunction with some of the items that I got with my Ipsy glam bag. And we're just going to play with makeup today. I know I'm going to use the peach shade and the brown shade first. So I'm going to go ahead and get those done. And I do have a little bit of concealer on my lids, and I did run powder over it kind of when I did all of the rest of my stuff. For some reason, this brush is like super scratchy today. Just washed it. I haven't used it since I washed it, so maybe I didn't fluff it up after I washed it well enough. I don't know. It's like really scratchy all of a sudden. This is a Glamour Dolls brush, and it's usually super soft. I'm gonna go in with a BH brush. My eyes are kind of sensitive today too, so that doesn't help. I accidentally got a little bit of the brown high up. I accidentally booped it up higher, so I'm just gonna blend that out just a little. And for once, I'm only doing the same look on both eyes. So you guys should be shocked about that. Because you know I usually do 2 different looks. I think I'm going to take the Beauty Crop eyeshadow in Halo. I want a little ham over here. Let's just kind of erase some of that off. You know what? I think I'm going to switch gears. I'm going to grab this blue in here I know it's a topper shade. It's gonna give me issues. This is a dry brush, but I'm gonna go back into that Beauty Crop shade because I've realized right along my lash line it's like missing. And I usually have that issue anyway, so. Pinch my finger in it. I'm not food. All right, I'm gonna grab the highlight out of here. And now I'm gonna grab a liner brush. I'm gonna use the black shade out of here and just kind of like line the outer edge of my eye, but I'm not going to get the brush wet. I'm just going to pick it up dry. And for those of you that are really uncomfortable with liner, using shadow as liner is a good way to learn. It's not always as opaque as like regular liner. It gives you an understanding of where your lashes are and the shape of your eye, how your eyelid moves, that kind of thing. So just by simply using a darker shadow on your lash line, it will help you learn how to do eyeliner. I still had blue stuck under my nose. Or I should say stuck on my nose, under my eye. Now, if you want to, you could do like a dark liner in your waterline. You could do upper waterline liner, but I'm just gonna throw in, this is a nude beige, I think. Yeah, nude beige. It's a L'Oreal Infallible. ColourPop has one of these, and I think it's called Honey Dude, in about the same shade. This one I think was like $7 or $8 at Walmart, and then the ColourPop one is $5.50. They just increased their prices on their website. And I do have to go over it several times because it takes a minute for this to warm up. It goes on really sheer at first, and then it warms up, and then you can apply it. Sometimes I've actually been known to kind of on the eyeliner, but then again, I'm kind of weird about germs on my eye, so and I do sharpen those to like get a new layer after, like, before I put them back in the cabinet. If I use them for a solid month, I will sharpen them before I put them back in. Or if I forget, I will always sharpen them at least one solid, go around before I use them again if they've sat for a while, just so I'm not putting bacteria or germs or something like that back on my eye from like a month or so ago. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, and when I first got it, it was like a super wet formula. I've only had it a couple months, and I used it that month in my Shop My Stash, And then this is the first time I've had it back in my shop, my stash since then, and it's like super clumpy now. I think that's it. Lipstick is a Wet n Wild. This is in Java. Highlight was originally Estate Cosmetics. This was in Do Me. The blush combo is the Madison Miller from Ofra and the Tarte Party Blush, which they're very similar in shade. And then I ended up mixing both I put the Lovecraft Beauty bronzer down first, and then I went over it with the L'Oreal Lumi Bronze, just to kind of blend it out. Yeah. And I didn't do anything with my brows. I just combed them. That's it. So, work appropriate, neutral. I used 3 shades out of here and then a single shadow to create this look. And the blue is still very sheer. You can see my eyelid right through it. But, you know, you have to be pretty close in order to see that. And if somebody is that close and can see through your eyeshadow, then they're just a wee bit too close to your eyes. Anyways, I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you like this neutral-ish tutorial with faux liner. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. I know I didn't do a whole lot of talking about technique or anything. I was just basically applying makeup. So kind of super easy. For those that are hearing impaired, I'm sorry. If you want me to do like voiceovers for things like this, then I can. But most likely I will be speeding up the application process to like 2 times and then putting music over it. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye.